Fix water stains instantly. There is a white ring sitting on your wooden coffee table right now, or a calcium streak running down your bathroom tiles, or a cloudy mineral deposit on your favorite glass. You have tried wiping them. You have tried scrubbing them. They do not move. Do you know the solution has been sitting in your kitchen the entire time, and it works in under 5 minutes? Today, we prove it. But before we do, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for free, and ring the notification bell, because water stains are one of the most common household frustrations in the world, and after today, they will never beat you again. The relatable frustration. Let me take you to a moment almost every homeowner has lived. You have spent an entire day cleaning your home. Every surface wiped, every floor swept, every cushion straightened. The house looks genuinely beautiful. They were there the whole time, hiding in plain sight, waiting for the right light to expose them. And the frustrating, maddening truth about water stains is that wiping them with a cloth, the instinctive first response, almost never works. Water stain type number 1, the wooden furniture ring. The white ring on a wooden table is one of the most emotionally loaded water stains in any home, because it usually appears on furniture that matters. And the instinct to sand it or refinish it, or simply accept it as permanent damage, is understandable, but entirely unnecessary. Mix equal parts white toothpaste and baking soda into a small paste. Apply it directly onto the white ring. Using a soft cloth, rub the paste into the stain in the direction of the wood grain, never against it with firm, even pressure. Work for 2 to 3 minutes. Then wipe away the paste residue with a clean, damp cloth and buff the surface dry. Apply a small amount of olive oil or wood conditioner to the treated area and buff it in with a dry cloth to restore the surface sheen. Water stain type number 2, calcium and limescale on tiles and taps. The white streaks and crusty deposits on bathroom and kitchen tiles, taps, and fixtures are a direct consequence of hard water. Water with a high mineral content that leaves calcium and magnesium deposits on every surface it touches as it dries. In hard water areas, this is a constant recurring battle, and the products marketed to address it. Descaling sprays. Limescale removers contain strong acids that work, but also produce fumes and carry risks for surfaces, skin, and the people breathing the air in the room. White vinegar is acetic acid, mild enough to be safe on virtually all household surfaces, strong enough to chemically dissolve calcium and limescale deposits on contact. For tiles and taps, soak a cloth or a folded sheet of kitchen paper in undiluted white vinegar and press it directly against the stained surface. Leave it in contact for a minimum of 30 minutes, or longer for heavy buildup. A tap or tile surface free of the white, crusty deposits that no cloth or wipe ever removed. This is one of the most satisfying cleaning outcomes available from a single, natural ingredient. Water stain type number 3, cloudy glass and stainless steel. The cloudy film on drinking glasses that have been through a dishwasher repeatedly in hard water, and the tide marks on stainless steel sinks and appliances are caused by the same mineral deposit mechanism. For glassware, fill a basin with equal parts white vinegar and warm water. Submerge the affected glasses and leave for 15 minutes. The cloudiness that has been building up through dozens of wash cycles dissolves in the acidic solution. Remove the glasses, rinse with clean water, and dry immediately with a microfiber cloth. Hold them up to the light. The clarity that returns is remarkable. The first time you see it, glasses that looked permanently damaged by the dishwasher restored to the transparency they had when they were new. For stainless steel surfaces, undiluted white vinegar applied with a soft cloth and rubbed in the direction of the metal's grain removes water spots and restores the surface's natural sheen without scratching. The science behind why this works. Here's the understanding that ties all of these solutions together and makes them logical rather than magical. These are not complicated solutions. They are logical ones, rooted in understanding what the stain actually is, rather than simply attacking it harder with the same approach that has never fully worked. If this finally explained why water stains never responded to your cleaning and gave you the solution they actually need, hit the like button right now. Subscribe to The Big Sweep and ring the bell so videos like this always reach you first. Share it with someone whose home has a water stain that has beaten them for long enough. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. See you in the next one.